Hey there, Ben Lepper here. If you've been following either VEX or REC, you know these past few months have been insane. If you're playing VEX IQ Level Up or REC Tier Takeover, this is probably one of the most interesting and complicated and unfortunately confusing games that we've ever had. We have a brand new game piece that has never been used in VEX IQ before. We once saw beanbags happen in V5. We've got fields. We have fields that actually can't be purchased by half of the teams who want to buy them. We've also got a big serpentine pattern throughout the field. We saw that in 2018 and again in 2021, and I guess it's coming back again. We've got bars that you can drive under. We've got shooting a beanbag onto a pyramid goal, and we've got what are called three-dimensional goals. We haven't had those since 2021. The point is, we have an incredibly complex game, and to top everything off, REC and VEX decided this year they were going to break up, and they weren't going to do it cleanly. They were going to have a massive breakup, and as a result, about half the teams who need them can't buy beanbags or like the field elements that they're going to need in order to compete this year. So, what I decided to do is, instead of trying to make like a super long video to explain everything, I want to call a quick, we're going to call it a quote kickoff meeting, but getting started this year, I want to show you everything you need to know in order to build a good robot for the 2026-27 challenge, whether you're doing VEX or you're doing RECF. We're going to cover both of them in this meeting. So if you're interested in attending, there's a link somewhere around this video. I honestly forgot what day it is. So I posted the date around this video as well. But go ahead and click that. Go ahead and enter your email address. That way I can send you the Zoom link. And we're going to have basically a live Zoom meeting. We're all going to get together. I've got a bunch of information that I want to share with you. If you were at my last kickoff meeting, that's awesome. And I've got some new stuff I want to share with you guys as well. So go ahead, click that link, sign yourself up. By the way, if you cannot attend, if you look at the date and time and you're like, shucks, that doesn't work for me, first check the time zone, because time zones change. This is a time I think I posted in like multiple time zones. But check the time zone and then go ahead and register anyway. And by registering, you're telling me, hey, I would like you to send me a replay. So I think this information is so important. That's why we're going to share it live at this Zoom meeting. It's free. Like, you're not going to pay anything for it. It's just like, I want to make sure you have this information. I know how important it's going to be for your team. So basically the question is, how do you design robots and build robots in 2026-27, regardless of whether you're doing VEX or RECF? So come to the Zoom meeting. It's totally free. And if you can't attend, register anyway, and I will send you the replay. It's that important, that valuable. I want to make sure you're there. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. And I cannot wait to see what you build as this slightly wild and hopefully really good year unfolds in VEX IQ Level Up and RECF Tier Takeover.